What's going on, you guys? It's Say here, man, and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna do an oil change, and basically these are all the things you're gonna need to do an oil change. I have a 99 Honda Accord. If you have the same one, you'll be using a 17 mil box and wrench. I'm also throwing a fuel injector cleaner in there. Already put some in there, so got that. I'm putting Lucas. Also, Mobil 1 5W30. You can see what type of oil you need in your owner's manual and how much you'll need. I need 5 quarts of 5W30. Got the high mileage, also fully synthetic with the pure synthetic Lucas oil, extended life STP filter. PB tip, man, before you go to drain the oil, take the oil cap off. It'll drain much quicker. We're underneath the car. We got it up on jack stands, and here's our oil pan. And basically what we need to do is break this nut loose here. That's done. Open. Okay. So, break your nut loose. You don't want to do this while the car is hot, by the way, or it's been running. So, quick trick. Push down so the nut's all the way out, and then pull away. Like that. Look how terrible that looks. So, if I decide to leave that clip in, as you can tell here, it was draining from here. It was draining from up here, and the wind blew and blew the oil onto the light in the camera that was sitting right behind the pan. I might leave that clip in there, see how it looks during editing. But so we got that pulled, and it's pretty dark. I mean, it was definitely past due. And up there, that blue thing up in there, that, oh, wind's blowing. That is our oil off. Take your hand. Basically, you can hand loosen it, or you should be able to. Of course, this one doesn't want to corrupt. So, we finally got the filter off. Hours of fighting with it. So basically, it's supposed to be able to come off with just your hand. And then, come back down here. Here's our new one. So, what we want to do is we want to dip our finger in here and coat the O-ring with oil. And then back up here. So, now, new oil filter. Screw that back on, and keyword, hand tight. You want to hand tighten it. Okay, there we go. So, the oil is drained out of here too. And basically, you want to tighten this back up also. super tight. You just need a quarter turn it. Look how dark that stuff is. Look at all that sludge. Now we're pouring our Lucas in. I like to pour the Lucas in first. Now that you let your Lucas set. There we go. Another up. Also, you can pour your old oil in here and return it back to Walmart or AutoZone just to get just for their oil to be recycled. Alright, so with that, old funnel, take your funnel out, put your cap back in, start your engine, let it idle for about 5-10 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found anything useful, man, leave a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you next time.